In the innovative city of Brainstormia, where the sparks of creativity flew across the sky, two entrepreneurs, Anna and Ben, engaged in a stimulating discussion about the art of brainstorming and generating novel ideas.
Ben, immersed in the vibrant atmosphere of Brainstormia, have you ever wondered how brainstorming can unleash our potential and expand our horizons?
Definitely, Anna. Brainstorming is not just a technique. It's a mindset that encourages us to explore possibilities, challenge assumptions, and collaborate with others.
Their journey began in the Idea Factory, a futuristic facility that offered a variety of tools and methods for brainstorming, where the very essence of innovation seemed to radiate from every corner.
Anna, as we delve into the secrets of brainstorming, what's your opinion on the role of divergent thinking in generating ideas? A. It's essential. Divergent thinking allows us to generate many different and original ideas. B. It's somewhat useful. Convergent thinking is equally important. C. It's unnecessary. I prefer following a logical and structured process.
I'd go with A. It's essential. Divergent thinking allows us to generate many different and original ideas. It's like playing a musical instrument where each note can create a different melody, contributing to the diversity and richness of our ideas.
I agree, Anna. Brainstorming is indeed a musical instrument, and divergent thinking is the key to playing it.
As they roamed Brainstormia, they encountered mind maps, brainstorming sessions, and idea generators that promised to be the instruments of one's creative symphony.
Ben, in a city that seems to always be bursting with ideas, how do you select and refine the best ones for your projects?
Selection and refinement are the steps that turn ideas into reality. In Brainstormia, where the flow of ideas is abundant, criteria and feedback act as the filters that help us evaluate and improve our ideas. It's about finding the harmony that works for us.
Their conversation was laced with terms that captured the essence of brainstorming in Brainstormia.
Brainstormia, a city that thrives on the abundant flow of creativity and innovation. Idea Factory, a futuristic facility that offers a variety of tools and methods for brainstorming.
Divergent thinking, the ability to generate many different and original ideas. Idea generators, technological tools designed to aid in generating novel and diverse ideas. Creative symphony, the harmonious combination of ideas for optimal innovation.
As the city lights twinkled in Brainstormia, Anna and Ben felt a surge of inspiration. In a city where brainstorming was both a skill and a passion, they embraced the ongoing opportunity of creating a creative symphony while enjoying the variations that made the melody unique.
Next story. Unveiling sporting prodigies. In the bustling city of Rivertown, Mia and Noah, two sports enthusiasts, found themselves engaged in a lively discussion about uncovering prodigious athletic talents.
Noah, the world of sports is full of untapped potential. What's your take on how we can discover young athletes with extraordinary abilities?
Mia, I think it starts with grassroots programs. Schools and local communities should invest in sports programs that allow kids to explore various activities. This way, we can identify natural talents early on.
Absolutely. Noah, exposure is crucial. Now, imagine we have a young athlete showing promise in multiple sports. What would you suggest?
Specialization might not be the answer right away. I'd recommend encouraging the young athlete to continue exploring different sports. It helps in developing a well-rounded skill set.
Great point. Now, a question for you. What is Mia's recommendation if a young athlete shows promise in multiple sports? A. Immediate specialization in one sport. B. Encouragement to explore different sports. C. Intensive training in all identified sports.
I'd go with B, encouragement to explore different sports. It aligns with the idea of nurturing a versatile skill set.
Spot on. Noah, it's about fostering a love for sports in general and letting natural inclinations guide the path.
As their conversation continued, Mia and Noah delved into the lexicon of identifying and nurturing sporting talents.
Grassroots programs. They discuss the importance of programs at the community level that introduce children to various sports, laying the foundation for future excellence. Natural talents. Mia emphasized the significance of recognizing inherent abilities that young athletes might possess from a young age.
Versatile skill set. Noah highlighted the value of developing a diverse range of skills by participating in different sports. Specialization. They touched upon the potential drawbacks of early specialization, stressing the importance of a holistic sporting experience.
Nurturing potential. The duo explored ways to provide the right environment and opportunities for young athletes to reach their full potential.
Inspired by their conversation, Mia and Noah envisioned a community where every child had the chance to discover and develop their athletic talents. They were determined to support initiatives that emphasized the joy of sports, exploration, and the holistic development of young athletes, fostering a generation of well-rounded sporting prodigies.